All right, perfect. Oh, we still got a little bit, but honestly, I can just talk through it. I don't think we really need the slides as much, but I'll still do it just in case you can see it. Okay, so I want to talk briefly about how HARTING has contributed to OCP. HARTING started in 2016, where we worked on Project Olympus with Microsoft to design our HAN Eco connector to connectorize the PDU. It's a little bit too complicated to really get into here, but essentially it had a lot of operational benefits to be able to separate the power input cable from the PDU, and there's a lot of supply chain benefits in order to be able to do so, that. We were featured at a keynote in 2017, which is really what signified our first initial, like how we started working with OCP. Because the tenet of OCP is, of course, collaboration, the team in Rack and Power that was working on the OpenRack V3 asked us to help design a new connector for the ORV3 for the input power connector for the power shelf. We were designated a lead author on the specification, which we presented to the incubation committee actually earlier this month, and the ORV3 will be launched next year. So this is kind of a great story that we have for product development in OCP, but really this is what I would call traditional product development, and this isn't really what I think is what the Future Technology Symposium is all about, and it's also not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk, oh man, it looks so good and then I can't. And as soon as I put the slides, ooh. Yeah, probably. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna go like this. So we have what we call an advanced R&D team, and the whole point of our advanced R&D team is actually separate from the product development team. Our advanced R&D team is really there to take new technology and productize it within 6 months. The reason why we want to do this outside of our traditional product development is because often there is a gap between new technology and actual new products. In my experience, I think that companies often want to take new technology and really mold them into their current product portfolio, which can sometimes take really the benefits of the new technology out. The entities that are better at using this new technology are things like universities, are things like startups, but these university and startups don't really have the support of big companies like our supply chain relationships, like our technology expertise. So we have developed a specific teams, actually 2 teams, one's on the West Coast, one on the East Coast, in order to, again, take these ideas, move very, very quickly, and to make products as fast as possible. Again, creating new technologies is important. It's exactly what we're trying to do here at the New Technology, at the Future Technology Symposium. We want to do this by working with startups, with our customers, with universities in order to productize as fast as possible. And we really think that this is the best way to get new technology into the value stream of people's products. So I know this is probably a little bit confusing the way I'm saying it. If you guys have questions about this, we have an example of a fused M12 connector, which we did using our advanced R&D strategy, which is available in our booth. We have our booth upstairs. But the big thing I want to say is that we do have a team that's specifically working with these new startups, with these universities in order to productize, with the support of a big company, new ideas. So if this is something that you guys are looking for in the Future Technology Symposium, if you have an idea and you want to partner with a company to bring it to market, we have a team that's absolutely waiting for you. Please come talk to me and I will connect you with the right person. Thank you, everybody.